Hey guys! Before we begin, I have a special announcement. My favorite halal joint, Mecca Halal, is still open on Hillside near Little Neck Parkway. Hamza Medina is there too. Both halal joints are still open. Bravo to the owners for staying open and feeding the community during these tough times. Let's begin. A lot of students are still having a hard time getting on Google Classroom, so today I'm going to show you how to get on. Look, everybody in Van Buren has a Google Classroom account. Okay, unless you came to the school like 3 days ago, everybody has a Google Classroom account and you have to sign on. You can't give me an excuse in September when we all go back to school probably and say, I didn't do any work because I don't know how to use a computer. You have no choice. I have to use the computer. Your classmates have to use the computer. You have to use the computer. If you don't have access to a computer, get on the link and the Department of Education will find a way to get you a laptop. All right? The school gave everybody an account. Now, what is your account number? You should all know your Google account number for Van Buren. If you don't know, I'll tell you what it is. The first initial of your first name plus the first four initials of your last name plus the last 2 digits of your OSIS. So if your name is John Smith and your OSIS is 123456789, your Van Buren sign-in email will be jsmit89@mvbhigh.com. Now, the easiest thing to do is to go on your Gmail. All right, let me go on my Gmail. So sign on. Now, put in your password. Your password, like I said before, is your 9-digit OSIS. Okay, you should know your 9-digit OSIS. Find out if you don't know what it is. All right, once you're in, your assignments should be in your email. You should get an email saying you have a new assignment from Mr. Castellano or whoever. Okay? To get into the actual Google Classroom, click on these 9 dots over here where it says Google Apps. Click on the 9 dots and go to where it says Classroom. And there you go. You will get the classrooms. Click on your class. Let's click on my period 2 class right there. And you're going to get the stream, which is the messages, the classwork. I've been putting all my work on the stream because it's just easier. I may be putting on the classwork soon so I can grade the assignments on there. I've been grading it and letting you know on email what you've been getting, but eventually I'm going to move to the classwork. I just don't like it because, like I said, a lot of kids, they go right, they see the stream, and if they don't see anything from it, if they don't see something, if they don't see work, they're just going to say, okay, I guess there's no work. Sometimes you have to click classwork, okay? And if you see classwork, you have to do the classwork. Now, let me explain how to do an assignment, okay? I have an assignment right here. I'm going to click on it. Chances are that you will not be able to do anything on my document, okay? Except for this kid. Now, press File, click Make a Copy, click it. Now, what should you name your copy? Put your name. Here's my dummy name, John Smith, okay? That way I know it's from you. Don't click share it with the same people because it might be shared with the rest of the class. But just make your own copy and press OK. Now you have your own copy, okay? So scroll down. Remember, your job today is to annotate. I have a YouTube video on how to annotate, so there's no excuse for not annotating correctly. Go down. You have all the work over here. Before you do the work, you might want to highlight the lines and then right over them. Say you did this, you did this, you did this. You did the outline. Remember, the paragraph is going to be due on Thursday. When you're done, or whenever you want to show me work, actually, you should be sending me work today, so at least I can see that you made the annotations, okay? And I can give you credit for attendance. When you're done, click on share over here, and then make sure you share it with me. J Castellano at MVB High. Bang. And then click send. This way you have your copy and I have my copy. And if you edit your work later on, send me an email saying, hey, Mr. Castellano, I edited my work. And that's it. Okay, so once again, everybody in the school has a MVB High account. You know your account. First letter of your first name, first 4 letters of your last name, the last 2 digits of your OSIS. Your password is the 9-digit OSIS. Go to Gmail first. You can see a lot of your work in your Gmail. And if you want to go right to, from Gmail to Google Classroom, it's these 9 dots right here. Click from here to the classroom, and you got your work. And you can get busy. All right. Any questions? I'm here for emails. I'm done for the night. This is my 3rd video. I've been grading papers all day. Don't worry. If you're doing the work, you will be rewarded. Okay? If I don't check it tonight, it's okay. Don't flip out and say I did the work. If you sent it in, I got the work. I will check it, and I'll give you credit for the attendance. Okay? All right. Let's sign on and do our work. Be safe.